Thank you.
Please give them another round of applause. We are also here today for a book release by Father Daniel Kaji. Mark Twain once said, "Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life." This evening, we are privileged to release a book to add one more value to our ordinary life. This book's name is Random Impressions, a collection of poems, and it is authored by Father Daniel Kaji SDB. It is an anthology of poems which stems from the author's personal life and experiences. Each poem reflects the life of a society and the nitty-gritty of daily life of young people in the city of Shillong and beyond. True to the words of Robert Frost, who said, "Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words." Paul O. Lincott, I also invite Father Daniel Kaji to come forward and present the book to Father Gildasio, who will release the book. I would also like to invite the parents of Father Daniel on stage. The first copy of the book will be given to Father Gildasio by Father Paul O. Lincott, the Salesian Provincial of Shillong. The second copy will be given to Father Gildasio Mendez by Father Paul O. Lincott. The third copy will be given by Father Gildasio to the parents of Father Daniel Kaji. You can purchase a copy of these books online on Amazon. Who will perform for us, Stone Cold. Give them a round of applause.
fell by the wayside like everyone else. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, but I was just kidding myself. Every moment I start to replace. Now that they're gone, all I hear the words that I needed to say. When you hurt under the surface, like strawberry water running cold. Well, time can heal, but this won't. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I had known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? Kills me how your mind can make me feel so worthless. So before you go, was never the right time whenever you call, but little by little by little until there was nothing at all. Every moment I start to replay. All I can think about is seeing the look on your face when you hurt under the surface, like strawberry water running cold. Well, time can heal, but this won't. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I had known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? Kills me how your mind can make me feel so worthless. So before you go, would it be better off by now if I let my walls come down? Maybe I guess you'll never know. You know, you know. Before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I had known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? Kills me how your mind can make me feel so worthless. So before you go.
So a very good evening to all present here. The song which I'm going to perform is Stone Cold by Demi Lovato. Stone cold, stone cold, you see me stone cold, stone cold. You're dancing with her while I'm staring at the phone. Stone cold, stone cold. I was your ember, but now she's your shade of gold. Stone cold, baby. God knows I try to feel